Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make quinoa delicious full guide. Start by rinsing quinoa well and toasting it in a dry pan or with a little oil for 2 minutes. Use a 2:1 water to quinoa ratio and bring to a gentle simmer, then cover and cook until tender. Let it steam off heat for 5 minutes, then fluff with a fork and season to taste. Warm and simple tips make quinoa sing in any bowl. Swap plain water for chicken or vegetable broth to add savory notes. Sauté aromatics like garlic or onion first, then add quinoa to toast slightly. Stir in fresh lemon juice or a splash of vinegar at the end to lift flavors, and consider adding fresh herbs or a drizzle of olive oil for a silky. Think about texture and color to keep quinoa exciting and nourishing. Mix in roasted vegetables for caramelized sweetness, and toss in toasted nuts or seeds for satisfying crunch. For creamy balance, stir through diced avocado or a spoonful of yogurt or tahini. Fresh herbs, pomegranate seeds, or crumbled cheese also add pops of flavor, making the dish feel composed, vibrant, and ready to serve as a main or side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.